spin is made. 50x on 2. Can I get a number 2, please? Can I pet that dog? Please let me pet that dog, bro. Right now. Right now. Give me that 2. Give me that 2, baby. I know you want it. Let's go. Number 2. Woohoo! Congratulations to the winners. Guys, 2 with a 50x. Jay with a 50,000. JM 25,000, 10,000. Marco Polo. Let's get it. 100 to 1 payout from a number 2. But Rich Bars, I don't want to place my bets on the numbers. Well, little Timmy, sometimes the numbers just pay. What can I say? Let's go, baby. 2x on Crazy Dump. Shout out to those who believed in the number 2. Number 2 Chads. It's time to shine, baby. That's what I'm talking about.